I'm going to show you how we put rolls in a Lone Star machine. First of all, you want to use your forklift, hoist, however. Put your rolls in. You roll your back roll into place. Once it's back in place, you grab your dust shield. For a 12-inch mill, we use a 6x10, 9-inch 5x8 dust shield. They're always offset. You want to put them on, they're a tight fit. Always put the long side to the back. Once you get that on, roll it back. Then you'll grab grease. You'll take a light film of grease, put it just where the bearing's going to sit. You don't need a whole lot. And now we're dealing with new rolls, new bearings. When you're not dealing with new rolls, new bearings, your bearing may not slide right on. You may need to heat it. But on our machines, you have float and lock bearings. This is a float. We always float the drive side. A float's going to have it in the outer ring. There's just a snap ring inside the bearing that you move that you can adjust to make it a float or lock. They all come standard from the factory as a lock. Slide your bearing on. Grab a bolt, a flat washer, put that in from the front side. Put it in your bottom. Put a flat washer, lock washer, and a nut on the back side. You use your bottom bolt to pull it up into place. You want to bring it up so there's a little bit of a gap on top. You'll take a bolt in the washer, and now right now it's offset, but since I have a little bit of room there, I can now easily move the bearing around. Flat washer, lock washer, nut again. Snug the top up lightly. Then you want to make sure your bearing is straight up down according to your bar. You want to have about the same gap top and bottom. Adjust accordingly to make it straight. Then go ahead and tighten up both bolts. Now that your bearing's tight, you can now put your dust shield holder on. Just slides in from the back. Use a 3/8 by 3/4 flange bolt to bolt it into the back side, and just finger tighten it for now. Next, you'll want to make sure and put your middle cheek plate in, and then tighten these bolts up. And now, once you get to this point on both sides, you go up front. Now that both bearings are up in place, and you'll center your bearing, center your roll, making sure it's centered side to side. So then you can proceed to the next step and tighten your set screws in your bearing. Pause it.